आपकी डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट होगी 5 सेकेंड बाद। 3, 2, 1, start. Sir, I congratulate the Minister for certain achievements in the field of agriculture, especially regarding research and development, which has made the farmer introduced the latest technology in the field of agriculture. At the same time, I grossly fail to understand why we have not achieved self-sufficiency since 1947. We have been trying, but we are still buying from foreign countries, whereas we should have planned for much higher production, not only for self-sufficiency but even for export to the foreign countries. In this connection, I would say that our land sellings are very important today. We base our agricultural policy and self-sufficiency in food on land sellings. I would like to submit to the Minister through you, sir, that in my opinion, we are not following a proper land policy. We have fixed land sellings, I totally agree, but we are looking for land. The central government should issue instructions. We have a provision in the constitution also to issue instructions to the states, and there should be ordinance from the governors taking over the surplus lands. The state should take over all the lands, but nobody is talking about it. We must take over all the surplus lands, and then we should say that nobody can get land above 30 acres. For the furtherance of the 20-point program of the Prime Minister, and in order to make our country self-sufficient in food, we must take over completely the surplus lands and redistribute them. Whatever I feel correct, I suggest to the Minister through you, and I hope that the government will follow this policy without losing any time. Only then will our land sellings program be completed in a very short time. There is the problem regarding agricultural prices also. In my opinion, till now the performance of the Agricultural Prices Commission has been highly unsatisfactory. There is now a gross root level worker in the Agricultural Prices Commission, and I have no doubt that with his inclusion, the performance of the commission will improve. We have been importing food grains. This is cancerous for our country. We should think about finding a via media. At the same time, with the impact of the green revolution, we should be self-sufficient in food grains and also be exporting food grains. We have been hearing about various functions where non-cereal tea parties are held. Actually, non-cereal parties are something like drawing room parties. We should really go about non-cereal parties in a big way. I do not say that the people are not eating non-cereals. I would like to point out a very small but very important fact. Since independence till today, whenever we have imported food grains, we have not imported more than 10% of our total requirements. there has not been a deficit of more than 10%. आप सभी को इसकी डिक्टेशन की PDF हमारे व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पर उपलब्ध होगी।